What's up guys, today's video is on the best welder generators reviews. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Hobart Champion Elite Generator. Hobart Champion Elite Welder Generator is a top choice in its capacity as an excellent stick, as well as a DC TIG welding device as well, and a powerful generator system. It is a powerful machine that is capable of generating 11,000 watts of power right from when you press the button to start. The thing I love about these welder generators is they offer the most powerful of both worlds at the cost of just one. Although many models in this category make use of compromises to provide the best of both worlds, I haven't found anything negative about this model. I've used this Champion for hours before deciding that it's a true continuous run machine. It can run compressors and hand tools without stopping or stuttering. The constant power output is largely due to Hobart's self-described revolutionary technology. They don't describe their trademark chipset and wiring, however, it definitely gets the task done without overheating or operating cool. The second secret to the Champion's success is its OHV Kohler engine. It uses fuel to save you money on fill-ups. I am also a fan of the 12-gallon tank, which cuts down on fuel consumption during the week or throughout the month. Don't make a mistake about a generator's energy efficiency. For those who are independent and rely on portable power sources, even a single tank of gasoline per week could add up quickly. Number 2. Tomahawk Engine-Driven Generator. Tomahawk is a San Diego-based company that manufactures tools and power for a variety of trades, such as agriculture, pest control, sanitation, construction, and pest control. The company has been operating since 2012 and has been promoting high-quality American-made equipment and tools. They've also joined forces with Honda to offer the smallest and strongest engines available. A Tomahawk 15 HP engine-driven portable generator and welder are extremely efficient from the moment you purchase it. With this device, you'll have the whole package. It has the ability to stick and weld. Turn the engine on, and it'll generate 2,000 watts of power that is stable and reliable. The leads for stick welders are made of sturdy metals that feel solid within your fingers. Its 60% duty cycle gives plenty of time for lengthy projects. I have heard of numerous welding companies that rely on their Tomahawks. They claim that their machines never fail and are able to withstand the rigors of daily use, far better than Lincoln Electric or Miller. Number 3. Lincoln Electric Welder Generator. Lincoln Electric hardly needs an introduction. They've been in the manufacturing of America's buildings and machinery since the early days of welding with electrical processes. Today, you'll see Lincoln machines on some of the largest sites around the world. In the Ranger 305, Lincoln gathered their top engineers and created an amazing blend of performance and utility. It's a multi-process welder capable of MIG-TIG, MIG, and stick welding. It can also produce up to 10,500 watts using the power of a 25 HP engine-driven generator. I put this machine lower on my list due to its price and its size. It's unlikely that many hobbyists would require this amount of power. However, it's not likely that your regular contractors. Lincoln Electric built this Ranger 305G to cater to those who need numerous processes today or require them in the near future. The generator that is used inside this model was made by Kohler. It's a gasoline engine that has a 23 HP carburetor, as well as fuel injection to facilitate easy starting. I like that they have an efficient fuel pump to allow the engine to begin and run at high altitudes. Number 4. Miller Electric Protective Welder. For those who are professional welders or workers working in construction, investing in a Miller welder is a good idea. Miller has a stellar track record, and its guarantee is world-renowned. If you think that the Miller Bobcat in my number 5 spot doesn't seem to be streamlined enough to handle your busy schedule, then you should look at my final choice, which is the Miller Trailblazer 325. The Trailblazer blends efficiency and accuracy. Miller has refined the equipment to run for longer, begin quicker, and run better due to modern efficiency. The 300-amp gas-powered welder generator is focused on the longest run time and constant power. This machine can weld stick MIG and stick TIG. There is also the option of tuning via remote control for difficult jobs. I was impressed by Miller's exclusive auto speed technology. It matches the speed of your generator to the capability of the welding kit or plug-in tool. This reduces the sound output when the machine is idle and boosts energy when you need it. Number 5. Lincoln Electric Vantage 300. Lincoln Electric's vast selection of generators for welding offers several options for your power and welding needs that are portable. Following the popularity of their Ranger range, the Vantage provides customers with more tools that can be more efficient and quicker. This Lincoln Electric Vantage 300 is an engine powered by diesel that has multi-process welding capabilities. I found the machine to be remarkably user-friendly, despite the many options and switches that are on at the top of the unit. Lincoln promotes Vantage as a 5-process welder. With this machine, you can use MIG, TIG, and stick, as well as flux core and even arc gouge. The core of the Vantage 300 is its diesel generator. It swapped the Kohler of the Ranger in exchange for Kubota. I like Kubota since they have a long background in construction equipment, including front-end dozers and loaders. Kubota is able to design engines that operate in harsh conditions. It's a perfect match for Lincoln. The 4-cylinder Kubota engine is much more quiet than gasoline engines. In addition, with the standard gauges that are located on the dashboard, you can check the temperature, RPM, and fuel levels at a single glance. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.